everyone, welcome to another day of the Emily week with the Emily Edit palette, and today we're going for the greens. I am a bit scared, but we have three greens here. Grateful, which is like a lime green, Side Hustle. God, this mirror is really in a way. Side Hustle, and the one here down the bottom, which is Courdroy. So I think I'm going to start with the Courdroy. It's very dark, so I'm gonna go very lightly. I think I go with the MAC 217. So I'm not starting my crease. I will try to start here because I don't know how dark this is. I'm just gonna play with it here on my outer portion of the eye. This is actually a really nice color. It looks very, very, very dark in a pan, but if you just slowly blend it, I should bring you closer. This is nice. I was very scared of this color. I'm gonna bring it a bit into the crease. So this is Courdroy, did I say? It is a really nice color. So these looks every day I'm doing for the first time. I haven't done it before. Now on my mobile lid I'm going to apply Grateful, which is this like a lime green color. That's pretty. I'm packing it on, so I'm like pressing, patting and dragging. This is really nice. Yes, like I've said, I think I've only ever done one green look on my channel and probably in my life really. I use some like turquoise accents sometimes just on the bottom of my eye, but I've only done I think one green look, so this is quite exciting. Pretty. I always feel whenever I use green, when I use green eyeshadow, my eyes start looking green, not blue. It's weird. Okay, I'm going to deepen up this green. Don't think I'm gonna use this Side Hustle. Let's try it. Let's see what Side Hustle has to offer. So it is another, oh, it's quite nice, more like a khaki green, and it's got shimmer in it because the Courdroy is matte. Maybe I'll put it a bit here. Now I will warm up my eyeshadow with something like warm brown in my crease, but I think I will put a bit more of that green here. Okay, what shall I use? I'll probably use Midwest, which is this warm brown. Can hardly see it, but actually maybe Juice Paid. No, that's too dark. Let's stay with Midwest. I'm gonna make such a mess of this look. We will work it out. It is not an ideal color that I would like as my transition color, but I can't think of anything else here. So we will make it work. I also have here two green pencils, and they are from Kiko. One is called, well, it's number 07, which is, let me swatch them for you, which is more of a bright green. And this one is 08, and that's like a darker green. So I am going to put the 8 here. Oh my god, I hope that this hasn't stopped again recording, and there is no reason, because my card doesn't say it's full. It just said that the recording stopped automatically. I hope you got all the eyeshadow. I won't know till I start editing, but yeah, mascara. I was probably talking about mascara. Okay, so I just took the card out. Look what's recorded. I'm so sorry this happened again, but this time I've checked everything, and for some reason my camera just stopped for no reason. So the last thing you saw, I think, was me putting the number 7 eyeliner, and then what I did, I went over it with the side hustle. So I put the eyeliner on, and then I just went over with the side hustle. And then I don't know if you saw the lime green, I put my finger on it and intensified it here, and that was it. So yeah, you've seen me putting the warmer shadow in. Anyway, all the shadows that I've used will be always listed, the names of the shadows, under each video. So I'm sorry, but this time it was not my fault. I was very careful, and I checked everything, and suddenly I looked, because I've got a screen here, but that doesn't tell me when the video stops. This told me that it just stopped, but you haven't missed much. It was just my bottom lash line doing the thing on there. Okay. You know, things happen. I'm doing it every single day, and I get into so much into doing the makeup that while I'm doing my makeup I don't really check what's going on, so sorry. Okay, so that's the eyes done. It looks really pretty. I really like it. Okay, let's do the lips. I think the lips need to be quite nude. So what I'm going to use is Charlotte Tilbury's iconic nude lip pencil. Then Charlotte Tilbury's Kim KW lipstick. And Nars Turkish Delight. Haven't used that in ages. So that is the look. What do you think? I think it looks really pretty, but don't you think my eyes look green now? Okay, my lovely, so this was my day 4 of the week with Emily Edit. I hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Stay fabulous, and I see you tomorrow.